All right. Back with another one, right? So today we're going to learn how to make PDFs into editable, right? Google Slides, right? So I know there's other, like Cammy and all that, but since not everybody has it, right? Let's try to make a workaround to take a PDF and make it editable, right? So this works not only with PDFs, but it works with pictures that you find on the web, right? You could take anything that you find on the web, whether it's pictures, PDFs, website, anything, and snip it, right, using the Windows Snippet tool like we learned in previous sessions, and put that into a Google Slide in order to edit it, right? But there's a specific way you have to do it. Okay. Let me just show you. Pretend you're going to do this little worksheet right here, right? I'm going to open it, right? And now, look, it's a PDF. What I want to do is I want to get this page on a Google Slide in order for the kids to edit it. So how do I do that, right? Well, first things first, okay? You see how when you open it, it's at 100%, and it's like, you have to the whole thing is not in one window here, right? You want to make this a little smaller right there, so that when you snip it, you're not scrolling down, right? It's just one snip here. Because if it was up here, you wouldn't get the whole thing. So just make it smaller. Now you hit your Windows tool, Windows snipping tool, and then you hit New. And now you just drag what you want to snip, let go, hit File, Save As, okay, and just name it. I'm gonna put it in this folder. Name it, sample ELA. Okay, so that's what you're gonna name it. Well, let's put it in the pictures. All right, then you just hit save, and then you exit out. So your first step is to open up the PDF, make it smaller so you fit it on one page, and then Windows snip it. Second step, go to your Google Slide. Okay. What you're going to do is you're going to add a new slide, go down to where it says Layout, and hit blank. Then you're going to go to File, Page Setup. You're going to click Widescreen, Custom. You're going to change this, right? I'm going to go with 30 by 35. You can change this however you want. Basically, what we're trying to do is make it look like a piece of paper. Right? So you can play around with these dimensions. Okay? There we go there. Okay, so now it's right here, like a piece of paper. Next step, right, is to hit background, image. Okay? You're going to choose an image as your background. Okay? You're going to hit browse, and you're going to go to the worksheet, right? And you're just going to open it. And just like magic, it appears right here. But notice, if I click on it, it's not going nowhere, right? So this is basically, okay, and you can zoom in a little bit, right? This is your worksheet, okay? So the kids now can edit it, right? So the sentence is underline the prepositional phrase. I have no idea. I'm just going to show you what to do, all right? So the kids would just hit the line tool, and then make it a line, and then just underline it, right? Again, hit the line tool, and then underline, okay? They could make a circle, right? Oops, I'm sorry. They could make a circle, right? Whee! Right? So, basically, all you're doing is making it a little bit more editable for your kids, okay? And then obviously you have to teach the kids how to make this, you could change the arrows, you could write on it, you could do all this jazz, okay? That's basically it, all right? If this was a math problem, you would hit text box and you would just enter the problem like 1, right? So, I mean, it's on your part. This is how you download it, right, the picture, and upload it into Google Slides. On their part, you're just going to have to teach them how to finagle and use the actual tools in Google Slides. Okay. All right. So if you have any questions, contact me or Melissa.